Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today is wash day, shampoo day, condition day. So what we're going to be doing is, if you watched my last vlog, you know I did purchase the Mielle Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner, as well as the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. Now I'm going to be trying these out today, so I can give you guys a good little review, let you know how I like the products and if I'm going to continue to use the products. This video is not sponsored. I literally just went to Target and was looking for some shampoo and conditioner. I'm like, you know what, let me try this out, let me see if I like it, and let me put y'all on if I do. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair while I'm in the shower, and then when I get out I'm going to give you guys my little review on the shampoo. I'm going to do the leave-in conditioner with you guys so we can see how it works on my hair. Now I have type 4 hair. It's borderline 4B, 4C, really just depends on the day. This hair is dirty, honey. Like, it's giving rug right now. Like, I love a good shampoo. I love, you know, get me a nice little head massage. Like, honey, it is overall one of the best feelings, like hands down. I don't know about you, but I love getting my hair shampooed. So I'm literally only going to be using these two products on my hair today. I want to see if I can just shampoo and style it with only these two products. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, y'all, so we are back out of the shower, and I would like to say, honey, this shampoo is the bomb. I really loved the smell of it. It gave me like this earthy, minty smell when I started shampooing my hair with it, and I felt like it was doing what it was supposed to do. Like, this shampoo understood the assignment. Only thing is, I am used to like anything with mint in it. Like, I want to feel that tingly feeling in my scalp, and I just didn't feel it. Like, that would be the only downside of using this Rosemary Mint shampoo. But this stuff is really lightweight. Like, I love the consistency. It wasn't too heavy, and it's got no parabens and no sulfate, so that's really good for getting your hair clean. Honey, I feel like it was like really working my scalp. Okay, so I would definitely recommend the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. All right, now let's move on to this conditioner. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit at a time. Now again, this is the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. All right, so I'm gonna do a little pump, and I'm pretty much going to just work it in sections. So I'm gonna start in the front. Pump, pump, pump. Put some in the middle. And then I'm gonna put a little bit in the back. I do like how it goes on so smoothly, and this stuff smells so freaking good. Like, it smells so good. So I know my hair gonna be smelling good for a few days. All right, let me also put a little bit on my sides too, because it's hair on there too. It's hair on the side. Yes, I'm just going to massage this all over. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm just massaging it in, working it all over. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to my hair because it did dry out a little bit while I had it in a towel. So give me 1 second. So let me get my little spray bottle. y'all, so I'm pretty much just going to, let me keep it a little damp. My hair gets so dry so fast. I'm gonna really just saturate this all over my hair. I love leave-in conditioner, can you tell? All right, now I'm gonna take my little brush and I'm gonna just start combing through. Now I pretty much applied all the product all over and I detangled my hair, but as you can see, it's not really like a good product for styling, so it's not a good styling agent for me, but it is a really good leave-in conditioner. My hair feels really soft and I just love how it smells. So I would definitely recommend it for a leave-in conditioner. However, it's not good for styling your hair, because some conditioners you can leave it in and it'll define your curls a lot more, but this one just isn't meant for that purpose. I was just trying it out, but anywho, I am not going to be adding any more products to my hair tonight because I'm getting ready to go to bed. So I'm going to blow dry it a little bit and then maybe I'll style it tomorrow, but I kind of just want to let it be because I'm not really going anywhere. I'm not really doing anything. My hair is very clean right now, so I don't want to add product to it. But yeah, definitely if you are looking for a new shampoo and conditioner to use, Mielle's shampoo and leave-in conditioner is a great product for that. They also have other products for like styling your hair, which I did see, and I might go back to try it out on my curls just to see if they'll define it a little bit more. But my hair feels really good, really soft, and my scalp is very clean, so that is a plus across the board. So yeah, definitely recommend. All right y'all, so I'm about to get ready to go to bed. I will see you guys in the next video. Good night.